If you want to access out a certain web page immediately, then you can use the bookmark feature. So to bookmark a page, I'm going to go around and search for Wikipedia right here, and let us go on to this page. So let's say I view this page quite often. What I can do is I can bookmark it out. And to do that, I have option 1. On the top right, you can see that there's the star icon. I can click on it, and then the bookmark add feature opens up. So I can name the bookmark according to what I like. And then I can choose the folder. So I can choose Bookmark Bar and so forth. So I'm just going to keep it as Bookmark Bar right now and press on the done button. So now what happens is that you can access that bookmark over here on the top right. Click on bookmark, and if you were to go around into Bookmark Manager, you can see Wikipedia right here. So you can go around, double click on this, and there you go. You got Wikipedia right there. So what else you can do is you can go around over here, and then you can go around into bookmark, and then what you can do is you can click on show bookmark bar. So here you can see that Wikipedia is here. So I'm just going to go around and type in, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and type in, let's say for example, Facebook, and press enter. So now what I can do is I can go around over here on this lock icon, click and drag it on the bookmark bar, and you can see that it is here. So the bookmark has been added to the bookmark bar. And whenever I visit the page with the bookmark, then what happens is that you have this option over here on the top right, that is the star is now blue. So if I were to click on it, I have an option to remove the bookmark, or I can go around over here, I can go to bookmark, and I have an option to rename this out. So I'm just going to say Wikipedia homepage right here and press done, and you can see that it says Wikipedia homepage. And that is how you can work around with bookmarks and the bookmark bar. Enable the bookmark bar in Google Chrome so that you can view it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.